Welcome back to the CMD Crash Course. Today we're entering one of the most practical, most useful parts of CMD. Networking commands. Whether your internet is acting up, your game is lagging, your Wi-Fi feels slow, or you're trying to troubleshoot a network, these commands are your new toolbox. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to test your connection, view your IP, diagnose problems, trace connections across the globe, and even see active ports on your PC. Let's jump in. IP protocol configuration. Open up CMD and type this command. IP protocol configuration. When you press enter, CMD gives you a full summary of your network setup. Your IPv4 address, your default gateway, your subnet mask, your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection details. But we can go deeper by typing this command. IP protocol configuration /all. This gives every detail. MAC address, DNS servers, DHCP info, full adapter details, active and disabled connections. It's the full blueprint of your network identity. If your internet disconnects or acts weird, these two commands can fix it without restarting your PC. IP protocol configuration /release. This drops your current IP address. And then type this command, IP protocol configuration /renew. And press enter. To requests a fresh IP from the router. It's like turning your Wi-Fi off and on, but smarter. Ping. Ping is used to test network connectivity. Try this command, ping google.com. If you get responses, you're online. If you get timeouts, then something's wrong. It also shows speed of response latency, packet loss, connection stability. For continuous pinging, type this command, ping google.com-t. This keeps pinging until you press Ctrl+C to cancel. This command is great for testing Wi-Fi drops, checking stability, monitoring lag during games. Trace it. Trace it tracks the path of your connection. Ping tells you if a connection works. Trace it tells you how it gets there. Type this command, traceitgoogle.com. CMD will show each hop your data takes. Your router, your ISP, regional servers, international nodes. If something is slow or blocked, you'll see it instantly. This is powerful for diagnosing slow internet, routing issues, server bottlenecks. Think of Traceit as Google Maps for your internet path. NS lookup. This is used to detect DNS. DNS is the system that turns domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses. If DNS is broken, internet won't load, even if your connection is fine. Try this command, nslookup google.com. You'll see the DNS server you're using, the IP address of the website, and the response time. If a website isn't loading, nslookup can instantly tell you if DNS is the problem. Netstat. This command is used to see active connections. Now we're getting into deeper, more advanced territory. Type this command, netstat. This shows all active network connections. But for real power, try this one, netstat-a. This command shows all listening ports and active connections. Netstat-n. This shows IP addresses in numerical format, easier to read. Netstat-o. This shows the process ID for each connection, useful for spotting suspicious apps. Let's combine them all. Netstat-ano. This shows active connections, ports in use, protocol, and process ID. This command is perfect for catching malware, suspicious background programs, and apps using your internet secretly. Pathping. This is a combination of ping and traceit command. If you want a deep analysis, try this command, pathping google.com. It checks the route path, packet loss, latency per hop. This is the command network engineers use when diagnosing serious problems. If you master these, you'll be better at diagnosing network problems than 80% of people. That wraps up Module 7. These tools are incredibly powerful and will save you countless hours when troubleshooting your internet or diagnosing issues. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in Module 8.